Hello and welcome back to Mr. Seal. Today we're gonna make a very simple box tutorial. So first, let's select the plane. I like to do the top one, click sketch and change our view orientation. Now we will create the base for our box. Very simple, just a rectangle. Pick a dimension that you like. Let's make something 4 by 4 inches, something to store your Lego parts or some screws. Now click OK and extrude it right there. Make sure it's new. Then this is how tall our extrude will be. So here you see, if I change the dimension to 5, it grows taller. But I think we will go for something more shallow of 2 inches. Here you go. Now click OK. Let's make some angle so it's easier to grab stuff. So what we will do, we will select a midpoint here and we will find a midpoint here and create a triangle. We will use this triangle to remove this section. So here you see, extrude, remove, and we can do through all. Now that's look good. Okay, so now what we will do, we will click here and here, and we will click on shell, and it will remove everything that is inside. And here we can select the wall thickness. I think the 0.1 inch is pretty good. Click OK. Alright, right now we can add the chamfers to smooth out the angles. And make it nicer. And here you go. We have a beautiful small box design for your little stuff. Alright, thank you and have a great day.